Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arsenal. Friends, once again I'm showing you a bed today, a king size cot in teak wood and one more time antique gold paint. This is the most liked color we have, and that's why we are making so much stuff in this color and sending out globally. This is a king size unit. In a king size, the mattress area is 72 inches by 78 inches. So 6 by 6.5 feet mattress area. Now rest of the sizes of the unit is 5 feet high, and the outer area that it would cover is 6.5 feet. The front is 28 inches high and it has got storage. And the storage we provide is along with the hydraulic for easy opening and easy closing as well. It has got a very beautiful fabric, as you see on the back, chosen by the client. This is solid teak wood and the thickness is 2 inches, 50 mm. Now if you want to check how much is 50 mm, you can go to any nearest door of yours and measure the width of the door. So you'll get to know how thick the wood is to get this type of carving in the unit. And as I mentioned earlier also, this is all teak wood and solid wood. This is not pressing that most of the people, most of the stores sell near you. They take MDF boards and press the carvings over that to make the unit. This is in solid teak wood, both sides, and the middle box is ply. The back height of this unit is 5 feet, and you can see here when somebody sits on it, the head would be somewhere this area. So this goes on the top part. So that is the Maharaja concept that we have in our beds. So whenever you talk about Maharaja sofa sets, Maharaja furniture, royal furniture, this is the basic concept that we talk about. Every Maharaja, every royal person do have a crown on their head. And when you are sitting here, this works as a crown in the middle. And that is the basic concept of a royal or Maharaja furniture that works in all our units. Now this comes with two side tables, and the side table is 20 inches, width is 15 inches, and the height is 20 inches. A nice heavy carved design matching the design of the bed. Just like the bed is very heavy carved and very fine carved, similarly we have a side unit also that matches the aura of the bed. Now here I like to talk about a few things rather than the bed itself, the cot itself. The cot you have in front of you, the design you can see, and you must have seen this in a lot of pictures and images in several websites, online images, but those are catalog images. I'm showing you an actual unit here. Now what I want to talk about first is the back height. See, in a normal bed, you generally get a bed height of around 4 feet, this much height. And when you have this height, the bed looks very small from the back. With the concept like this, that is visible here, the bed gives the royal feeling of a real heavy bed. So the higher the back goes, it gives the more royal look to the unit. Because the front part has got limitations, we cannot raise it too high. The higher this side goes, the middle area looks more like a bunk bed. So when you have a mattress here till this height, only this much high, this portion is protruding out of the mattress. So it gives a complete look with the mattress. Second thing I like to talk about is the mattress size. The mattress comes in two sizes in king size, 72 by 78 and 72 by 75 as well. So if you are going for 75, do let us know, we'll make it according to you. If you want any extra length, you want to go for 7 feet, do let us know, we'll have to make that separately for you, because 7 feet mattresses are not easily available, they are made on order. Now the most important thing that we would like to know from you is the thickness of the mattress. The standard mattress comes in 4, 5 or 6 inches. The thickness part I'm talking about. So when you, let's say we are going for a 5 inches thickness of mattress. So this one is made as such. But if you are going for more than that, let's say 8 inches or 10 inches or 13 inches or 18 inches, in that case, the storage has to be lowered down to give you easy sitting area. For any bed cot in standard sizes, and when the person is a normal height, like a person like me, 22 inches is the maximum height you can go for. किसी भी बेड में 22 इंच की हाइट, 22 इंचेस की हाइट, सिटिंग हाइट काफी ज्यादा होती है, इससे ज्यादा हाइट कंफर्टेबल नहीं होती. तो if you are going for any mattress beyond 6 inches, let us know. We have to reduce the size of the storage area. हमें इसे नीचे करना होगा ताकि मैट्रेस लगाने के बाद वो अनकंफर्टेबल ना हो. Another thing I like to talk about is the side tables. See, you may have seen a lot of images online for different bed cots, and you may have seen a lot of side tables also that are very big or very high. The basic concept of a side table is a handy use. It should be easily approachable and it should be quite handy for you. Now, if you look here, the height of this is very close to the mattress. The mattress will come somewhere around this. When you are sitting on it like this, or you are lying down, the hand is at a very comfortable height. When it goes higher, you'll have to raise your hand quite a bit to pick up something. So that is uncomfortable. If you go for lower height, then again you have a little inconvenience to pick up the stuff. So this is a standard height. A couple of inches here, there doesn't matter much. So instead of 20, you can go for 22 or 23. 24 also works, but higher doesn't look nice. When we go for a bigger side table, then you should have enough space to accommodate two side tables. So now if we are looking for the right space, on this side, we would need 20 plus 20 plus 2 inches in the middle. So 22 plus 22 and the 6.5 feet bed. So along with the side tables, you would cover 10 feet area with a standard size side tables. So 10 feet area you require on this wall when you are using this type of unit along with the side tables. So if you are going for anything bigger, please check the area, the measurements where you want to keep it. Now, another thing about the beds, very interesting and most important for us also. A lot of people ask us why our units are costlier or pricier. The price depends on the input that we use. And the stuff that you are looking at here is solid teak wood. So once we are using heavy input, obviously the price would be a little higher. And the paint that you see on this is Duco paint. It takes 5 to 6 layers of paint before we can put the actual color and finish the work. To complete one unit, it takes around 8 to 10 days for the paint work only. So accordingly, all the costs have to be incurred and that has to be added. But finally, the output that you see here is a work of a lot of people, the artisan, the carpenters, the painters, the cushion guy. And finally, we are the people who checks everything, the quality people and the packing guys, the transportation guys. Finally, it comes to your place. This unit in particular is going to Pondicherry, and any part of India you want, let us know. We can deliver there. Outside India also, we deliver to most of the places. You want the unit without storage, that can be done also. You want to change the colors, the fabric color, we can do that for you. We provide personalized furniture, so it would be designed and made as per your choice. Anywhere you want it delivered, let us know, we can do that for you. For price, please contact us because these are personalized units. So price is again calculated as per your requirement. Hope you like the stuff. This is the local art of our city, Saharanpur, and the quality of artisan that you see here. Nothing by machines, all handwork, handicrafts done by hand, and the final output, a nice bed cot design in king size. Hope you like our work. Request for a few comments of yours. Thank you.